What's crazy is I was manifesting this, and sure enough, it came when she announced that she was creating a hair care line. Better believe I was already about to purchase these products, but then I got a notification and it was from CECRED. I was not expecting this. Like, who knew? It caught me a bit off guard because I think I've seen Beyonce's hair a total of 2 times. Hey beautiful people, my name is Andrea, aka Andrea with the Curls, and today I have a CECRED product review. So initially it caught me a bit off guard because I don't think I've ever really seen Beyonce's hair out. Let me think about it. I think I've seen Beyonce's hair a total of 2 times. Those 2 times were when she had her hair in the pixie cut and when she grew it out. That's it. And I feel like, I'm not even going to lie, it's not a part of her brand, so it makes it a bit hard to believe. When I heard the line was going to be for all hair types, it made me side-eye just a little bit, but let me tell you why. When products are made with the intention of all hair, it tends to lack in the moisture department for textured hair or for curly hair. So let's get into the brand and the science. According to the website, the brand CECRED is made for all hair types. Beyonce stated on her website that hair has been a part of her life. She would sweep up hair in her mother's salon. She also stated due to her being a performer, hair care is really important because she's constantly changing her hair. CECRED states that the technology is made from 3 key ingredients: bioactive keratin, honey, and lactobacillus ferment. So let's talk about where you can get these products and the prices. So this product line is high-end products ranging from $30 to $52. Okay, baby, Beyonce did not come to play. A clarifying shampoo is $30. The hydrating shampoo is $30 as well. The moisturizing deep conditioner is $38. The reconstructing treatment mask is $42. The fermented rice and rose protein ritual is $52. The moisturizing sealing lotion is $32. And the nourishing hair oil is $44. Let's talk about the smell and the fragrance. The clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub has a light peppermint smell. It's not overbearing, and I like the smell of it. The hydrating shampoo has like a light honey smell. All of these products have a pretty light smell. There's none that kind of make my nose hairs burn off or make me sneeze. Both masks have like a regular conditioner smell. There's nothing that jumps out at me. Same with the moisture sealing lotion. Let's get into my thoughts on each product. So starting with the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, I give that an A-. I feel like this clarifying shampoo did a really good job. It has microcrystals and I felt them in my hand, but when the product was on my scalp or in my hair, I didn't really feel that, so I don't love that. I did pre-poo my hair before and I kind of felt like I could detangle just a little bit with this product, which I did like. And it did give me a slight stripping feeling, but not like other shampoos that I've used in the past. I think this was like a pretty good balance of keeping my hair clean but not stripping too much. I like shampoos that are thinner because I feel like I'm able to clean my scalp better. This was in the middle. It wasn't too thick, but it also wasn't a runny consistency either. But like I said, an A-. The hydrating shampoo, I would give this an A+. This one was my absolute favorite. I felt like I could detangle my hair with this shampoo, and I've never been able to do that with any shampoo before. However, I also am not a person that really likes to put shampoo all throughout my hair. I usually just put it on my scalp and that's about it. But I felt like I was able to really get in there. I really didn't feel like it gave my hair any type of tangles. If I had to choose between the shampoos, I would buy this one. Now, for the reconstructing treatment mask, I would give it a B-. I thought that this mask was good. It had more slip than the deep conditioner mask and it made my hair feel nice, but I wasn't wowed. You're only supposed to leave this product on for no longer than 30 minutes. However, I did not read the instructions and I left it in for an hour not knowing, so don't be like me. I did like this product and I think that it did what it was supposed to do, like a moisturizing deep conditioner. This is getting a C- for me. This mask is thick, but my problem with this mask is that it was lacking slip. If you're expecting it to be like your standard curly deep conditioner, this is not it. And like I said, sometimes when brands cater to everyone, they always tend to leave out the curly girls. I felt like this was a bit painful trying to apply this mask to my hair at times because of the lack of slip, and I thought my hair felt okay after the mask. I needed a little bit more moisture. I applied this after the reconstructing treatment mask. If I had to choose, I would choose to buy the reconstructing treatment mask. Now, let's get into the setting lotion. The setting lotion was a leave-in and I only used a dime size amount. I read the instructions this time and it says apply sparingly. I feel like it has good definition. However, in the future, I won't be using this as a stand-alone product. I didn't see any flaking, but I really don't feel like my hair is super moisturized after using just the lotion. I think that this would have been better utilized if I applied heat on my hair. In the instructions, it says for best results, use before applying heat. All right, and the last product is the Nourishing Hair Oil. This oil felt pretty good on my hair. It does leave my hair with a bit of shine. For $42, I feel like that is quite steep, but I thought it was a good oil. There's no complaints. Let's get into my final thoughts and I'll make this quick. I personally think that the shampoos are the true stars of the show and the products are high end, and I think they are good products in the market comparative to Pattern, Briogeo, and Olaplex. All in all, I did enjoy these products and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you for staying till the end.
Can we get it together? Get it together.